Hello friends, you're watching Johannes. Before we start our review, let's make our disclaimer. This video doesn't contain any type of financial advice, so be sure to do your own research before investing. The conversation around music in the Web3 space has always been around, but shifted over the last year. We have moved past simple NFT collectibles and into the era of real-world assets. This is where the concept of ownership actually starts to mean something tangible for both the artists and the listener. This could be actually big for small artists at first, and a widespread adoption could mean the biggest names can also get the benefits. The good thing is, as listeners, you can access music much more easily too. This is exactly where BeatSwap fits in. It's a full-stack Web3 ecosystem designed to transform intellectual property rights into tradable RWAs. By connecting creators, fans, and investors, they are essentially building a decentralized music economy where value is shared. With their token generation event and top-tier exchange listings targeted for early December, this is a good moment to look under the hood of what they are building. So, let's take a closer look. As I've said, BeatSwap allows creators to launch their IP rights as RWAs. This isn't just about selling a song as it might sound. Creating a microeconomy around the song is the important part. So, when a track is tokenized on BeatSwap, it is minted into exactly 2000 RWA tokens. What I appreciate about their model is the transparency in how these are distributed. Typically, 50% are sold to investors, the platform retains 12%, and creators hold on to 20%. The remaining 18% is supplied for initial liquidity. This structure ensures that the creator remains the largest single stakeholder in their own work. Currently, the platform has already tokenized more than 660 exclusive tracks, creating a Web3 music IP portfolio valued at approximately 13 million. This is a significant foundation for a project that is just hitting its stride. BeatSwap introduces two primary mechanisms for user interaction: licensing to earn and vault to earn. These systems are designed to bridge the gap between passive listening and active financial participation. First, licensing to earn, or L2E. This is arguably the most user-facing aspect of the platform. The concept is straightforward. Fans earn rewards simply by enjoying music. When you stream songs or engage through likes and comments, these actions are recorded on-chain as IP licensing metrics. If you jump over their Oracle page, you can see exactly how this system works. The Oracle tracks music streaming across partnered platforms via SDK integrations and feed that data on-chain. At the end of this month, participants receive rewards in BTX, the native token, based on that activity. Scalability is key. Built on the OPBNB mainnet, the platform can process hundreds of thousands of listening events without gas fees eating into the rewards. In fact, upon launching L2E in October 2025, BeatSwap recorded over 500,000 on-chain transactions within 24 hours. You can actually connect your wallet like I did. I choose Wallet Connect to connect MetaMask, and here on the right-hand side, I can view my stats, my rewards, vault to earn, and licensing to earn stats all in one page. Speaking of vault to earn, while L2E rewards activity, V2E is designed for preparation. It allows users to deposit assets like USD into vaults. These deposits act like a reservation for future IP consumption or participation in the RWA launchpad. Depositors earn V2E token rewards upfront. However, the system is clever in how it weights incentives. When users eventually use those deposits to actually consume IP or buying rights tokens, they unlock L2E rewards. If you look at the L2E dashboard, you can see that the monthly L2E reward allocation is set at more than double the V2E rate. That way, the protocol actively discourages passive parking of capital and encourages the actual circulation of value within the music economy. On the technical side, BeatSwap utilizes a multi-chain architecture to handle the specific needs of music data. They use the Internet Computer to handle the Oracle and the on-chain registry for IP rights metadata. This makes sense because music metadata is heavy. and require a robust storage solution that traditional blockchains struggle with. Conversely, the RWA and BTX token transactions occur on an Ethereum-compatible network, specifically OP-BNB, to ensure speed and liquidity. The Oracle is the centerpiece here. It serves as the source of truth for royalty settlements. In November 2025 alone, initial test operations showed a cumulative 3 million royalty settlement transactions processed in under a month. As you can see from the tracking flow on their website, the plumbing is already handling significant volume. The ecosystem is powered by the BTX token, with a total supply of 1.5 billion. The team has taken a community-centric approach, with over 50% of the supply allocated directly or indirectly to rewards. This includes around 20% for IP rights acquisition, 10% for RWA payer liquidity, 5% specifically for L2E rewards, and 5% for proof of rights participants. They are currently approaching a pivotal moment for this project. The token generation event and initial exchange listings are targeted for early December. The team has indicated that listings on major exchanges have been negotiated, and liquidity provision will happen immediately post-TGE to establish a market price. Security is also a priority here. The team is conducting security audits, not only for token contracts, but also the core smart contracts, reinforcing their statement that BTX is intended as a long-term venture. The growth metrics suggest a healthy ecosystem is forming. As of November, they have recorded over 330,000 global contributors. I was looking through their DApp Pay listing earlier, and you can see how this actively translates to verified chain engagement. Looking forward, the roadmap is clearly defined. The late 2025. Following the TGE, the immediate focus is on the IP licensing vault launch on BNB chain. March 2026. They plan to launch Space, a Web3 social module where fun engagement and creator staking determine exposure scores. And June 2026, the full RWA launcher and BeatSwap DEX as scheduled to go live. So, what I can understand from this is that BeatSwap is attempting to solve the liquidity and transparency issues in the music industry by standardizing songs as financial assets. By combining the high-speed transaction capabilities of OP-BNB for user rewards with the storage capabilities of ICP for metadata, they have built a stack that seems capable of handling mass adoption. With the TGE arriving in early December, the project is moving from the development phase into a live market phase. For those interested in the intersection of Web3 and music rights, keep an eye on this project. And the upcoming exchange listings will be the key to understanding how the market values this new approach to intellectual property. The platform is expanding beyond music to support other forms of creative IP. And that's the end of this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out for more. See ya!